Hi, I'm Rashmi Kaushik from Sinotech Technology Solutions Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start Microsoft Power Platform trial. So if you're a beginner and struggling how to start working on Microsoft Power Platform, you should definitely watch this video. Before going further, let's have a brief introduction about what is Microsoft Power Platform. Power Platform consists of robotic combination of Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate and Power Virtual Agent. This combination provides quick and easy app building along with valuable real-time data insight. Power BI analyze data and drive the business outcome through graphical representation like real-time dashboards and reports. Power Apps is a powerful tool that lets you create applications that can be used on cross-platform like web browser, tablets and mobile. It is a low-code or no-code platform for citizen developers, while the professional developers can have added advantage as they can use Azure function to extend their app capabilities and can also create custom connectors. Third in the line we have Power Automate. It was previously known as Microsoft Flow. It automates the workflow between your apps and services and thus it streamlines the repetitive task. Last but not the least is the Power Virtual Agent. It is the latest addition to the Microsoft Power Platform family. It is used to build intelligent chatbots that can help you to solve common customer queries quickly. So, Power Platform can provide seamless integration to various cloud-based or on-premises data sources like SharePoint, Dynamics 365, etc. and more than 100 of other underlying data platforms using library of connectors and common data service. Let's get started. You can explore all the capabilities for free by signing up for trial that lasts for 30 days. If you do not possess any license, then the trial plan provides you with temporary access for all the components of Power Apps and other features like you can explore the capabilities of Office 365 that includes Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Excel and many more. You can also create apps from blank, canvas or model driven that connect to Microsoft Dataverse, which was earlier known as Common Data Service, and other data sources like premium data connectors or on-premises data through Data Gateway. You can also create automated workflow using Power Automate and also create and manage environment and Microsoft Dataverse. First, you need to identify your current license because if you have license through Office 365 or Power App licenses, you already have access to some of the features, but trial license temporarily increases your capabilities to include all the other features that we mentioned on the previous slide. So therefore, you first need to find out which license you already possess by trying to sign in Power Apps with your credentials. So when you try to sign in from Power Apps page, you will be prompted to this user screen where you will be entering your username and password, and if you are successful, you will be able to make any type of apps in Power Apps. To identify the current license for Power Apps, whether we have it or not, we will enter Power Apps in the search engine like Google or Yahoo, any search engine that you use, and then you will be given these links you can see, and we will open this one, Microsoft Power Apps Business Apps link, and then here we are. On the right hand side we can see this is a Power App page, and here on the right hand side we can see three options: sign in, try free and buy now. So we'll click on sign in to check the license, the current license which we possess, and we will write here our office or work email. and then we will see whether we have the current license or not. So as I do have the current license, I will be able to open this, and here we are in the make portal of the Power Apps page, which will allow us to create and build any type of application that I want, whether it is canvas or model driven. So because I do have this Power Apps license, I will be able to connect to Power Apps. So you have to check first whether you have the license or not. So if your login is successful, you will be able to see this screen, and you will be able to create your own apps, whether it is canvas app or model driven or portal from blank. You can create an app as per your business requirement. If the login is not successful, you have to start making the trial account from scratch. One important thing to keep in mind when you are signing up for the trial or trying to log in is that you cannot use your personal account like Gmail or Hotmail to log in or sign up, as Power Apps does not support email addresses provided by telecommunications providers or by consumer email services. So you need to complete login, and if starting a trial, you need to sign up using an email address assigned by your work or school only. If you are not able to sign in using your Microsoft credentials and you are not able to log in into the Power Apps page, you can always try free from here. And if you will click on try free, there will be a dialog box that will appear on your screen, and you can enter your school or work email address, and thereafter you can select submit to use this Power Apps to create an app. After you submit your school or work email address, you will be prompted to the next screen, and you will see that if you have any other Microsoft license, you are using any other service other than Power Apps, the Microsoft will ask you to sign in using those credentials for the services that you are already using. So a dialog box will appear to confirm your work or email address, your company address, and then you can follow the instructions thereafter to log in to the Power Apps page. In case you do not possess any Microsoft services license, then you can follow the instruction, follow the prompts, provide necessary information, and then select start. After you finish signing up for the Power Apps, you can start your trial, and then you will be able to log in and enter the Power Apps page, and you can discover more about the Power Apps. You can create apps there. You can there are unlimited features available on the Power Apps you can start using after starting your free trial. You can also start your Power Platform journey with Dynamics 365. In that case, open this link https://trialsdynamics.com, and then at the bottom of the page you will see this sign up here, and you can click here and start your Power Platform journey. After you click on sign up, a small pop-up box will open which will ask, are you a partner or Microsoft employee? So here at the bottom you can see click on no and continue signing up. Click here. Then you have to fill the details to sign up the form, like the country, the first name, last name, your business email address, your phone number, and company name, and your organization size. So fill all the details, and then it will give a verification code on your number which you will be providing here. So after the form is submitted, you have just filled all the details about your name, first name, etc. You will get a verification code that you have to enter for your account to set up, and then after the verification is confirmed, you can enter sign in page and user ID and click on setup. So So your account will be created, and finally you can complete the process of signing by clicking on complete setup at the bottom of the page. Finally, you can log in your account and explore the wide range of apps shared by Microsoft, including Power Apps and others. I hope you liked the video. If you have any other query regarding Power Platform or Dynamics 365, you can contact us at sinotech.com, and to read more blogs about Power Platform, you can visit at powerplatformconsultants.com. Thank you once again for watching the video.